Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class of mathematics. So, in our earlier class, we have completed till question number 6 from Let's Recall portion. In today's class, we will be starting the next topic, maths around us. So, Rohan went to a shop to buy pencils and chocolates for himself. So many things are mentioned over here that he wants to buy two pencils and what is the cost of each pencil. So, in this context, we have to know that how to add money, right? So the basic thing that we should remember is that we have to always add rupees with rupees and paise with paise. Same is the case of subtraction, that for subtraction of money we have to subtract rupees from rupees and paise from paise. And if it is not possible to subtract the paise column, then we have to borrow 1 rupee or 100 paise from the rupees column, and then we have to solve. So let's quickly look at the animation to understand this concept.
This module, we will learn to perform addition and subtraction of money. One day, Vicky went out for shopping with his mother. See, Dad, Mom bought me 2 t-shirts, 1 pair of jeans, and 1 ice cream.
Very good. You are looking very happy.
Vicky, you enjoyed enough today. Now go and finish your homework. And I am going to cook something for the dinner. Oh, with homework, it reminds me that I have to ask about money from Dad.
Tell me, what do you want to know, son?
Dad, tell me how we can add and subtract money.
That's easy, son. You bought things. Give me its bill. I'll tell you how we can add and subtract money. Can you tell me the cost of the ice cream?
Yes, the cost of 1 ice cream is 28 rupees.
All right then. Write these values in a paper. Write the values at correct columns. Write paise in the paise column, rupees in the rupees column.
Okay, Dad. Cost of blue t-shirt is 385 rupees and 80 paise plus cost of red t-shirt, which is rupees 465 and 80 paise plus cost of 1 pair of jeans, which is rupees 865 and 45 paise plus cost of ice cream, which is rupees 28. Since cost of ice cream is only rupees 28 and no paise, so I will write 0 in place of paise, like this. Isn't it, Dad?
Correctly done. Now add the values.
Okay, Dad.
Good. See, wasn't that easy?
Yes, Dad. That was easy. Now let's do subtraction.
All right. Now suppose your mother gave rupees 2000 to the shopkeeper. Then what amount the shopkeeper would have given back to your mother?
That means to find out the leftover amount, we subtract the amount spent from the total amount given.
Yes, exactly. Now you put the values, subtract them, and tell me the result you get.
Total amount Mom gave to shopkeeper is equal to 2000 rupees, and total amount we spent is rupees 1745 and 5 paise. So the difference is 254 rupees and 95 paise.
Absolutely right, son. See, you have solved all the questions yourself.
Yes, Dad, but it would not be possible without you. Thank you so much. Now I am going to complete my homework.
So I hope you understood that adding and subtracting money is an easy matter. Now let's look at the exercise number 12.1. So in exercise 12.1, we have to add the following rupees and paise. Let's quickly look at the solution video and then we will start solving all these questions.
Add the following. Let's solve the problem. 2,721 rupees 35 paise plus 1,472 rupees 48 paise. Add the values in the paisa column first. 35 plus 48 is equal to 83 paise. Write 83 in the paisa column. Now add the values in the rupee column. 2,721 plus 1,472 is equal to 4,193. Write 4,193 in the rupee column. Hence, 2,721 rupees 35 paise plus 1,472 rupees 48 paise is equal to 4,193 rupees 83 paise.
Okay, so let's start adding them. 0 plus 5 will be equals to 5 and 7 plus 5 will be equals to 12. So we will write here 2, carry 1, 5 to 7 and 1 8, 3 and 2 5, 1 and 1 2. So 258 rupees and 25 paise. Next. 5 and 2 7, 4 and 3 7, 9 and 8 17, 7 carry 1, 7 to 9 and 1 10, so 0 carry 1, 2 1 3 and 1 4. So 407 rupees and 77 paise. Similarly, this will be 75, 8 and 2 10, 0 carry 1, 4 1 5 and 1 6, 3 and 2 5, 2 and 1 3, 4 and 2 6, 8 and 1 9, 2 and 2 4, 3 and 3 6. Now 8 and 5 is equal to 14, 4 carry 1, 4 3 7 and 1 8, 2 and 1 3, 7 and 2 9, 7 and 4 11, so 1 carry 1, 2 and 1 3 and 1 4. So 4,193 rupees 85 paise. Next, 8 and 5, it's 13, so 3 carry 1. 9 and 1 10, 10 and 4 14, 4 carry 1, 6 3 9 and 1 10, 0 carry 1, 7 1 8, 8 and 4 12. So 2 carry 1, 5 4 9 and 1 10, 0 carry 1, 6 3 9 and 1 10. Okay, so the answer is 10,000. 10,020 and 43 paise. Next, we have to solve the subtraction part. So, this is 12, 2. So, 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So 129 rupees and 15 paise. Next. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. This will be 12. So 12 minus 7 is 5. And this is 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So 153 rupees 20 paise. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So 217 rupees and 26 paise. Next, 15 minus 9 is equal to 6, right? This is 2. So again we have to take borrow. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Again, this is 13 and this is 6. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. And 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So 566 rupees and 76 paise. Next, 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 5, it's not possible. So it will be 14 here. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 2 minus 1 is also 1. So 1135 rupees and 90 paise. This F you will do it on your own. This is your homework. Now let's look at the word problems. Question number 3 says that Rohini bought a skirt for rupees 558 and 50 paise and a pair of shoes for rupees 1325 and 25 paise. How much money did she spend in all? Cost of the skirt is this much, cost of pair of shoes is this much, so total cost we have to find out. That means we have to add these amounts. So 0 and 5 is 5, 5 and 2 is 7, 8 and 5, 13, 5 into 7 and 1, 8, 5 and 3, 8 and 1. So total amount is rupees 1883 and 75 paise. Now let's discuss question number 4. Question number 4 says that Farhan bought a book for rupees 258 and 50 paise and he gave rupees 500 to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back? So amount with the shopkeeper is this much, cost of the book is this much. So we have to subtract. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. This is 9. This is 9 and this is 4. So 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So Farhan gets back rupees 241 and 50 paise. Now let's discuss question number 5 and 6. Question number 5 says that Manoj spends rupees 785 on train fare, 245 rupees 50 paise in buying gifts, and rupees 528 and 50 paise in buying a sweater. What is his total spending? So the amount spent on train fare, gifts and sweater is all written. Let's add them. So 0, 5, 5 and 5, 10, 10 and 8, 18, 8 carry 1. 4 to 6 and 1, 7, 8 and 7, 15, 5 carry 1, 7 to 9 and 1, 10, 10 and 5, 15. So total amount he has spent is 1558 and 50 paise. Manoj spent rupees in all. Now let's discuss question number 6. The next question says that Sakshi bought apples for rupees 128 and 50 paise, oranges for rupees 78 and 50 paise, and grapes for rupees 210 and 75 paise. If she had rupees 900 initially, how much money is left with her? So cost of oranges, cost of apples and cost of grapes is written. We have to add all of them. So 5, 5 and 5, 10, 10 and 7, 17, 7 carry 1. 8 and 8, 16 and 1, 17, 7 carry 1. 7 and 3, 10 and 1, 11, 1 carry 1. 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. So total amount कितना spend हो गया है इन fruits को खरीदने में 417 and 75 पैसे. So what is the remaining amount? 900 से minus करना पड़ेगा, right? So 417.75. So let's subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So remaining amount is rupees 482 and 25 paise. So children, complete all these questions whichever has been discussed in the book, in the e-book itself, and those discussed on the board in your maths notebook. So that's it from today's class. Thank you and bye-bye.